Hi guys, welcome to our channel, The Mechanics of Making Money. Today we're taking a fascinating journey through time to explore the origins of our beloved 2-day weekends. But what if we told you that the future might have a 3-day weekend in store, all thanks to artificial intelligence? Intriguing, isn't it? From historical shifts in work patterns to the potential of AI, we're covering it all. So buckle up as we delve into the past, present, and future of our weekends. Have you ever wondered why we have a 2-day weekend? Well, the story begins during the Industrial Revolution, that period between the late 18th and early 19th centuries, when manual labor started giving way to mechanized work. Now, workers during this time were subjected to long, grueling hours, often working up to 6 days a week with only the Sabbath off. However, the concept of a weekend as we know it, a 2-day period of rest and recreation, was still a distant dream. Enter the labor movements. In their quest for better working conditions, these movements played a pivotal role in shaping the structure of our work week. They fought for shorter work hours, safer workplaces, and yes, more time off. It was during this time that the concept of Saturday half-holiday emerged, a notion that workers should get half of Saturday off in addition to Sunday. Meanwhile, religious observances also played a role. The Jewish community observed the Sabbath from sundown on Friday to sundown on Saturday, while Christians typically recognized Sunday as a day of rest. This religious diversity was another push towards a 2-day weekend, but it wasn't until the year 1938 that the 2-day weekend was officially recognized in the United States. The Fair Labor Standards Act, enacted that year, established the 5-day work week and set the maximum work week at 40 hours. This meant that workers could now legally enjoy their Saturdays and Sundays off, cementing the tradition of the 2-day weekend. So, the next time you're enjoying a lazy Sunday afternoon or a fun-filled Saturday, remember the hard-fought battles of the labor movements and the societal shifts that shaped our modern concept of the weekend. And that, folks, is how we got our cherished 2-day weekends. Now, imagine if we could enjoy a 3-day weekend. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? For years, people across the globe have been championing the cause of a 3-day weekend. The reasons are manifold and pretty compelling. Increased leisure time to pursue personal interests, improved work-life balance, and a chance to spend more quality time with loved ones are just some of the benefits that come to mind. But it's not just about leisure. Studies suggest that a shorter work week can actually boost productivity. The logic is simple. A well-rested mind is a more efficient mind. Moreover, there's an environmental angle too. Less commuting means fewer emissions, and that's a win for our planet. So, a 3-day weekend isn't just a pipe dream of the overworked. It's a proposal with genuine societal benefits. And while the 3-day weekend might sound like a dream, it's not as far-fetched as you might think. Enter artificial intelligence, the game changer we've all been waiting for. Let's take a moment to appreciate the marvel that is artificial intelligence. It's a technology that's been making waves in every conceivable industry, from healthcare to finance, and even in our personal lives. AI has been consistently pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and it's this very potential that could be the ticket to our long-awaited 3-day weekend. Artificial intelligence is all about efficiency. It's about automating tasks, making processes faster, and reducing the need for human input. In fact, a lot of the work that used to require a human touch can now be handled by AI. Think about it. Customer service bots answering queries, algorithms predicting market trends, and even robots performing complex surgeries. So, how does this tie in with our quest for a 3-day weekend? Well, with AI taking over many routine tasks, businesses can become more efficient. They can get the same amount of work done, or even more, but in a shorter amount of time. This could potentially mean less work for humans and therefore fewer working days. But let's remember, this isn't just about having an extra day off. It's about rethinking the way we work. It's about achieving a better work-life balance, reducing stress, and increasing productivity. And it's here that AI could truly shine. AI doesn't just work smarter. It works without tiring, without needing a break, and without asking for a raise. It's the perfect worker, so to speak. And if we can harness this potential effectively, we could be looking at a future where the 5-day work week is a thing of the past. However, it's not all rosy. There are challenges to consider, such as job displacement and the ethical implications of AI. These are valid concerns that need to be addressed as we continue to navigate this brave new world of AI. So, could AI be the key to unlocking our 3-day weekend? Only time will tell. While we wait for AI to revolutionize our work week, Some countries are already taking steps towards a shorter work week. A prime example is New Zealand, where a firm conducted an 8-week experiment with a 4-day work week, finding an increase in productivity and worker well-being. Meanwhile, Spain is planning a pilot project to test the 4-day work week on a national scale, fueled by the belief that less work could mean more productivity. In fact, numerous countries across the globe are flirting with the idea of a shortened work week. The reasons vary from improving work-life balance, reducing stress, to boosting productivity by having more rested employees. It's a fascinating shift in the global work culture, challenging the century-old norm of a 5-day work week. So, the 3-day weekend might be closer than we think. It seems the world is inching towards a future where we work smarter, not harder. And perhaps, artificial intelligence will be the final push we need to get there. While the prospect of a 3-day weekend is exciting, it's important to remember that change takes time. We've seen how the 2-day weekend came about, the ongoing quest for a 3-day weekend, the role of AI in making this possible, and the countries already proposing a 4-day work week. As we move forward in this age of technology, let's keep an open mind about the possibilities. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share so you see our future videos pop up on your newsfeed. Stay safe out there, guys.